Ever stared at your crypto portfolio on Gemini, ready to make a withdrawal, only to be hit with that sinking feeling when you see the fees? Wondering if there's a secret handshake or a hidden path to avoid those charges? You're not alone. Many crypto enthusiasts find themselves scratching their heads over withdrawal fees, and Gemini, while a fantastic and secure exchange, is no exception. Understanding these fees, and more importantly, learning how to navigate them effectively, can save you a significant amount of money in the long run. In the fast-paced world of cryptocurrency, where every fraction of a cent counts, minimizing your expenses is key to maximizing your gains. And when it comes to withdrawing your hard-earned crypto or fiat from an exchange like Gemini, fees can sometimes feel like a toll booth on the highway to your financial freedom. But here's the good news: with a little knowledge and some strategic planning, you can significantly reduce, or even entirely avoid, certain Gemini withdrawal fees. Today, we're diving deep into the intricate world of Gemini withdrawal fees. We'll break down exactly what kind of fees you might encounter, why they exist, and most importantly, practical, actionable strategies to help you keep more of your money. We're not just talking about theory here. We're going to equip you with the knowledge to make smarter withdrawal decisions. So, if you've ever felt frustrated by unexpected charges or wished you understood Gemini's fee structure better, this video is for you. Get ready to transform your approach to crypto withdrawals. Let's start by demystifying the different types of withdrawal fees you might encounter on Gemini. It's not a one-size-fits-all scenario, and the fee you pay depends heavily on what you're withdrawing and how you're withdrawing it. First up, fiat withdrawals. This is when you're taking traditional currency, like USD, Euro, or GBP, out of your Gemini account and sending it to your bank. For US customers, Gemini generally offers free ACH transfers. This is a huge win. ACH, or Automated Clearing House, transfers are electronic payments processed through a network of US financial institutions. They're typically slower than wire transfers, often taking 1 to 3 business days, but the cost saving is undeniable. So, if time isn't of the absolute essence, ACH is your best friend for USD withdrawals. However, if you need your money faster, or if you're dealing with larger sums, you might consider a USD wire transfer. Be warned, though, Gemini charges a $25 fee for USD wire transfers. This is a standard fee across many exchanges for expedited bank transfers. While faster, usually same day or next day, that $25 can eat into your profits, especially for smaller withdrawals. For non-USD bank transfers, such as SEPA in Europe or fast transfers in Singapore, Gemini often offers these as free or with very minimal fees, e.g., SGD3 for fast transfers. Always check the specific fee schedule for your region and currency on the Gemini website, as these can vary. Now, let's move on to the area that often causes the most confusion and frustration: crypto withdrawals. When you withdraw cryptocurrency from Gemini to an external wallet or another exchange, you're not just paying a fee to Gemini, you're often paying a network fee, sometimes called a gas fee on the Ethereum blockchain. These are not fees Gemini pockets. Instead, they are paid to the miners or validators who process and secure the blockchain network. Gemini uses a dynamic withdrawal fee system for most cryptocurrencies, especially for Ethereum and ERC20 tokens. This means the fee isn't fixed, it fluctuates based on the current network congestion. Think of it like a highway during rush hour: the more traffic, the higher the toll. Similarly, when a blockchain network is busy, transaction fees go up because more people are competing to have their transactions processed quickly. Gemini aims to charge you a fee that corresponds to the actual network cost, attempting to avoid overcharging or undercharging you. They state that they don't profit from these network fees. However, for some specific cryptocurrencies, Gemini might charge a flat fee. It's crucial to check the specific fee schedule for each token you intend to withdraw. For instance, for ERC20 token withdrawals, while the underlying gas fee is paid in ETH, Gemini often covers the cost of converting the ERC20 token to ETH to pay for the gas, so you'll see the fee deducted in the token you're withdrawing. This is a user-friendly approach, preventing you from needing to hold ETH just to move your ERC20 tokens. So, How do you go about minimizing these fees? This is where the strategies come in. Strategy 1. Embrace ACH for fiat withdrawals, U.S. customers. This is perhaps the most straightforward and impactful tip. If you're in the U.S. and looking to withdraw USD, always opt for ACH transfers unless you have an urgent need for the funds. The fact that it's free makes it the clear winner in terms of cost effectiveness. Plan your withdrawals in advance to accommodate the 1 to 3 business day processing time, and you'll save that $25 wire transfer fee every single time. For non-U.S. customers, check if your local bank transfer options are free or low cost, as Gemini often provides these as well. Strategy 2. Timing is everything for crypto withdrawals. Since crypto withdrawal fees, especially for Ethereum and ERC20 tokens, are dynamic and depend on network congestion, timing your withdrawals can make a significant difference. Network activity tends to be lower during off-peak hours, such as late at night or early in the morning, depending on your time zone relative to major crypto trading hubs like the US and Europe. Weekends can also sometimes see lower network fees compared to weekdays. Before initiating a crypto withdrawal, it's a good practice to check the current gas price or network fee on a reputable blockchain explorer, like Etherscan for Ethereum. You can usually find real-time gas prices, often displayed in GUI, a small denomination of ETH. If the gas price is exceptionally high, it might be worth waiting a few hours, or even a day, to see if it comes down. While Gemini will display the dynamic fee before you confirm your withdrawal, being aware of general network conditions can help you decide if it's a good time to transact. Strategy 3. Consolidate your crypto withdrawals. This tip is particularly relevant if you frequently make small crypto withdrawals of the same asset. Every withdrawal, regardless of its size, above the minimum, incurs a network fee. If you withdraw a small amount of Bitcoin, you pay a fee. If you withdraw a larger amount of Bitcoin, you pay a similar, if not the same, network fee. Therefore, making multiple small withdrawals will accumulate more fees than making one larger, consolidated withdrawal. For example, instead of withdrawing 0.01 ETH every week, consider accumulating your ETH and making a single withdrawal of 0.04 ETH once a month. This way, you pay the network fee only once, effectively saving on 3 additional transaction costs. This requires a bit of planning and patience, but the savings can add up over time. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.